Hiccups.
Hello, Sweetwood Stock! Are you ready to rock out to the sweet sounds of Sweetwood's coolest bands?
I'm ready! Excuse me, I can't see! Whoa! Thanks, Vida.
Grandpa Beaver is gonna kick things off. And then we'll have a special performance from the band that always brings the funk, the Tree Trunks!
Woohoo! Tree Trunks! Are they cheering for us?
Yeah, because we're the Tree Trunks and we bring the funk.
Right. Well,
are you okay, Tidbit?
huh? Oh, I'm just worried I might get stage fright.
Stage fright?
Yeah, what if performing on stage in front of that big crowd makes me... frightened?
I'm a little scared too, Tidbit. It's okay to get stage fright.
Man, stage fright's a total bummer. Good thing lead singers never get it. Oh, don't worry, Tidbit. We'll be right there to help you if you feel scared. But you've got to get on stage, because we're not the Tree Trunks without you.
Or you.
Or you. Yeah, because everybody gets stage fright once in a while.
Well, not me.
Let's give it up for Grandpa Beaver!
Grandpa Beaver? Grandpa Beaver's song is about to start. That means we're up next.
Let's practice.
Do, re, mi, fa, so. Uh-oh. We're the tree. And we bring the... Uh-oh.
Are you playing a prank, Fergie?
No. I can't sing. Not without us banging.
But you're our lead singer. The Tree Trunks can't perform without you.
We need help curing these hiccups, and I know who can do it. Looks like we need a vet who always knows just what to do.
Let's go to Vida. Vida the vet.
She's coming!
She will take great care of
You.
You're the Tree Trunks and you look like you're in a funk. So, you need a vet?
Yeah, I have the...
What? Can't hear you.
I said I have the...
It's hard to hear. Let's quickly head next door to the clinic. I think you need a checkup. Wow, no checkup necessary. My diagnosis is you got a case of the hiccups. The good news is hiccups go away on their own eventually. But we don't have eventually. We go on stage next. Well, there are a few tricks we can try.
I hope they work before we have to... Oh.
Go on stage!
Thank you, Sweetwood Stock. And up next, we have the Tree Trunks. So the Tree Trunks, they're not ready yet. But I've got a little song about Vida the vet. It's called Vida's Theme, and it's about Vida, Sweetwood's favorite señorita.
Okay, the first thing we're going to try to get rid of these hiccups is circular breathing.
Okay.
Fergie, what are you doing?
I'm breathing in circles.
That's not what circular breathing means.
Oh.
Popcorn's okay. Circular breathing is when you breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. In and out.
It didn't work.
It's okay. I have another idea. That's it. Take a nice, slow, and steady sip, Fergie. Drinking water upside down can distract your brain and make the hiccups go away.
Hang in there, Fergie. It's working. I don't hear a single...
I get one!
Wow, wow, wow! How'd you land without falling?
It's a squirrel thing.
Yeah! And fun fact, squirrels use their tails for balance. The water didn't get rid of your hiccups either. Let's try something else.
Okay.
Sometimes eating a bite of sour lemon can make the hiccups go away. You just have to reach one.
How can we call ourselves the tree trunks if we can't even climb this tree trunk to get a lemon? Oh.
If the crowd is clapping, that means you're on! Next! Let's get backstage and we'll slice up the lemon for you, Fergie. Okay, Fergie. Open wide and say, ah. Hiccups fine, too.
Oh.
It's time to go on stage, Tree Trunks. Hop to it.
You guys should get out there. The show must go on.
Well, we can't go on without you.
Yeah, we're a band. We stick together. You bring the funk to the tree trunks.
But I can't sing like this.
Singing, hiccuping, standing there shaking your tail. It doesn't matter what you do, Fergie.
Yeah, we're not the tree trunks without you.
You know, there is one more way to get rid of hiccups. You need something to scare you.
Like, what?
Anything frightening, someone screaming, flashing lights, a big loud surprise.
I don't have time to get scared. The tree trunks will have to bring the funk, even with hiccups.
Let's do it.
Yeah, we will. Tree trunks on 3. 1, 2, 3. Tree trunks!
Thanks for trying to help cure my hiccups, Vida.
No problem, Fergie.
Are you okay?
I got stage fright.
You did?
Yep. And the stage fright scared my hiccups away. Your cure worked. Hello, sweet one. We have a great song for you today. 1, 2, 3. Now we're the tree trunks who bring the funk. and we've got something to say. Listen up, when you're supposed to be rockin', but your hiccups aren't stopping. Don't ever let it ruin your day. No, no, just boogie on over to Vida the vet. Cause when you really need help,
Help's what you get.
she's got ideas to try to make hiccups say bye. But it doesn't always happen that way. When you have the hiccups, you hiccup and you hiccup. Cause sometimes the hiccups, they don't stop, but you don't give up. No, you show up and you go up on stage. Even if those hiccups aren't gone, the hiccups won't leave you, but your friends still need you. And the show, it must go on. So when you have the hiccups, just go with it. Rock out to the rhythm and just flow with it. Don't let them trip you up, let them make you hot. Yeah,